everyone, it's Kylie here from GF Oats Australia. Welcome to another week of Kylie's Kitchen. They certainly come around really quickly for me anyway. So this week I decided to do another little recipe, but a breakfast one this time as part of our winter warmer series. I found this cute little recipe on the internet and I must say it super surprised me, so I hope it'll surprise you. Okay, for anybody who comments and shares this post, you automatically go in the draw for the month, and we had another lucky winner last month for a $30 gift voucher to use in our online store. Okay, so let's get into it. So this one is called Caramelized Banana Porridge. So I was really surprised at how few ingredients you need and how super quick it was. All right, so let me go through the recipe quickly with you. However, next week, this recipe you will see on my blog. So if you are part of the Kylie's Kitchen newsletter recipe series that comes out on a Friday, this week you would have got the meatloaf recipe from last week. Next week you'll get this recipe, but it'll also be on the blog as well as the newsletter. Okay, let's go. You needed about a tablespoon of coconut oil. You need to heat that up in a pan on the stove. Add to it maple syrup, I seem to have run out, or golden syrup I used today. So about a tablespoon again. Put in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon and then a little splash of vanilla. Okay, heat that up. It starts to bubble on the stove and get a bit hot. So once that starts to bubble, I want you to cut up your banana. One whole banana will do. If you are doing it for more people, by all means put in more bananas. You can add a little bit of these ingredients. I'm just doing it for about one person here. So then I want you to throw your banana in while it's bubbling away and just cook them up. Look, it was about a minute to a minute and a half. I've got a gas stove. I just turned the stove off and I just left it there. And look at this. Can you see that? Look how lovely and caramelized it is. It's just beautiful. It's quite thick. Okay, so on the side, I want you to get yourself a serving of your oats. Now, I like to make my oats a little bit creamier, half milk, half water, and of course, whatever milk you choose. So once you pop that into it's cooked, you pop it into your bowl. All you need to do is to pop this beautiful banana mixture over the top. Okay, it's just beautiful. So you've got all your sweetener in there in your golden syrup. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. So that'll really sweeten up that base mixture of your porridge and make something really delicious and warm for a winter's morning. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know if you're going to give it a try. Subscribe to our Kylie's Kitchen. I'll put a link in the comments below. Once again, if you like and share this, you will automatically go in the draw to win a discount code off our website. Thanks very much for being with me again for another episode. If there's anything that you would like to see me make, please also let me know in the comments below. For that, have a wonderful Friday and a fabulous weekend. Until next week, see you then. Bye.